I will rule the universal contents.
Whoa, slow down there, bad man, you ain't ruling no universal contents of mine.
Oh look, a puny human is trying to stop me conquering the world.
One thing, I'm not puny and I will never let a stupid bitch Aga Pumpkin take over this world we live in.
Really, you don't obviously know the power my minions behold.
Now you're calling me stupid.
Yeah, and it's kinda fun. When I'm smiling, that's a bad sign.
You deserve it.
You will not win against my minions when they complete their quest.
Yeah, I won. I beat him. I won. Oh yeah. Bye, thank you for watching.